Bibles, Luke, we read qualities of a true disciple. It's Luke chapter 6, verse 20 to 49. Is it? Yes. Can someone read? Qualities of a true disciple.
And he lifted up his eyes on his disciples and said, Blessed are you poor, for yours is the kingdom of God. Blessed are you the hunger. Blessed are you that hunger now, for you shall be satisfied. Blessed are you that weep now, for you shall laugh. Blessed are you when men hate you, and when they exclude you from revile you, and cast out your name as evil on account of the Son of Man. Rejoice in that day, and weep for joy, for behold, your reward is great in heaven. For so their fathers did to the prophets. But woe to you that are rich in and who have received your consolation. Woe to you that are full now, for you shall hunger. Woe to you that...
Sorry, nakutoa nje.
Woe to you when all men speak well for you, for so their fathers did to the false prophets. But I say to you that, love your enemies, do good to those who hate you, bless those who curse you, pray for those who abuse you. To him who strikes you on the cheek, offer the other also, and from him who takes away your coat, do not withhold even your shirt. Give to everyone who begs from you, and of him who takes away your goods, do not ask them back again. And as you wish that men will do to you, do so to them. If you love those who love you, what credit is that to you? For even sinners love those who love them. And if you do good to those who do good to you, what credit is that for you? For even sinners do the same. And if you lend to those from whom you hope to receive, what credit is that of you? To you, even sinners lend to sinners, to receive as much again. But love your enemies, and do good, and lend, expecting nothing in return. And your reward will be great, and you will be the Son of the Most High, for he is kind to the ungrateful and the selfish. Be merciful, even as your Father is merciful. Judge not, and you will not be judged. Condemn not, and you will not be condemned. Forgive, and you will be forgiven. Give, and it will be given to you. Good measure, pressed down, shaken together, running over, will be put into your lap. For the measure you give will be the measure you get back. He also told them that a parable. Can a blind man feed a blind man? Will they not both fall into a pit? A disciple is not above his teacher, but everyone when he is fully taught will be like this teacher. Why do you seek the speck that is in your brother's eye, but do not notice the log that is in your own eye? Or how can you say to your brother, let me take out the speck that is in your eye, when you yourself do not see the log that is in your own eye? You hypocrite. First take the log out of your own eye, and then you will see clearly to take out the speck that is in your brother's eye. For no good tree bears bad fruits, nor again does a bad tree bear good fruits. For each tree is known by its own fruits. The figs are not gathered from thorns, nor are grapes picked from a bramble bush. The good man out of the good treasure of his heart produces good, and the evil man out of his evil treasure produces evil. For out of the abundance of the heart his mouth speaks. Why do you call me Lord, Lord, and not do what I tell you? Everyone who comes to me and hears my word and does them, I will show them what he is like. He is like a man building a house, when dug deep and laid the foundation, who dug deep and laid the foundation beyond God. And when a flood arose, the stream broke again. The stream broke again that house, and will not shake it, because it has been built there. But he who hears and does not do them is like a man who built a house on the ground without a foundation, against which the stream broke, and immediately it fell, and the ruin of that house was great.